Has your basement ever flooded because your sump pump failed? Today I'm going to show you how to try to prevent that. Hi, I'm John Musselman from Musselman Home Inspection. On this channel we like to teach people how to maintain their homes the best we can. Today we're talking about sump pumps and sump pump failure. I'm going to help you try to understand how to take care of your sump pump the best you can. So first off, we pull up our sump pump lid. One thing that I always want people to understand is that sump pumps, just like any other mechanical device, have a lifespan. We tell people 8 to 12 years. So if your home is older than 8 to 12 years and you don't know how old your pump is, you may consider replacing it proactively. Down in the sump pit itself, what we're looking for, this particular system has 2 in it, but we want to test the pump to make sure that it operates. On our pumps, or at least this particular pump, there's a switch on it. We pull that switch up and we can verify that the system is operating. That's what we want. We also want to make sure that our pump is clean. Sometimes we get debris and dirt inside of there, and that can make our pumps have to work harder. We want to flush these systems out so that our pump doesn't have to work as hard and or get clogged. It's an important piece to the puzzle. So make sure that you're keeping your sump pumps clean and operational. If you have any questions about how to clean them or how to maintain them, we like to be a resource, so definitely check us out. Follow us if you can, and we'll see you next time.